Welcome back to Seamless Xtra as we continue to explore the latest trends and innovations in the world of digital commerce.
Hello and welcome to Seamless Extra. Today we are honored to have with us Christine Kitale, Vice Chair at the Association of Fintechs in Kenya. We will be discussing the importance of financial participation across Africa. Welcome, Christine. Thank you for being here with us. So just to start, how would you define financial participation in Africa?
Define financial participation as having a picture where everyone is able to trade digitally and access financial services digitally in a way that does not discriminate anyone based on their level of income, their level of documentation, the type of business they do, or their day-to-day activities. So basically having a framework or a structure where everyone is able to access financial services and finance in a way that is seamless for everyone.
Thank you. So leading on from this, what opportunities would arise from financial participation in Africa, in your opinion?
In my opinion, the greatest opportunity would be for trade. You see, now that if we are to eliminate the barriers that are existing that limit the participation, whereby people with less access to money, less access to documents, and are divided based on the distance, we find that factors that can actually boost the economy of Africa, like trade, are limited. Therefore, if we have structures that actually eliminate these barriers and enable more and more people to be able to access financial services and be able to participate in the financial space, we will see factors like the Africa Continental Free Trade Area Agreement finally working for us, and not just the urban Africa. I'm talking more about the rural Africa. That's majority of the population that is right now being limited by things like cost, lack of finance, lack of opportunity, lack of documentation, etc.
That's very insightful. Thank you. And just to end the final question, what can be done to enhance financial participation in Africa?
The main thing that can be done, number one, is education. Because with the rise of mobile money, and we've seen how well M-Pesa has worked in Kenya and things like Paga in Nigeria, etc. So if more and more people are made aware of the benefits of trade using the digital portal, and factors like costs don't have to be a barrier anymore, now that we've seen there's more and more uptake of mobile solutions and mobile money in the continent, I think the next step would be, how do we educate our people to actually take advantage of the rails that actually exist? Because once they do, the barriers that are already in these rails, the major one, of course, being costs, can be slowly eradicated to ensure participation and trade across Africa. I'm thinking about the lady in Ghana who wants to sell her fabric to the lady in Kenya. Should never be an issue anymore, because now that we have more and more innovative solutions coming up, leave alone mobile money, we are seeing talks about the digital currency. We're seeing frameworks that are opening Africa up for trade within Africa. So the sooner more and more people are equipped and then able to participate, the easier and faster it will be for us to trade as Africans for Africa.
Thank you. That was honestly very insightful and invaluable. Honestly, I've learned a lot on this interview. Thank you, Christine. You'll be able to hear Christine speak at Seamless Africa next month in Joburg.
Thank you, Alia.
Thank you, and see you next time.
All right.